Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to safely open an ACOPOS Servo drive step by step, either for cleaning or for troubleshooting purpose. This process is 100% safe if you follow the correct steps, and we will make sure not to cause any damage to the unit. So you can see the picture in ACOPOS multi-servo drive. This is the model number. So this is three-phase drive, DC volt operating, current 1.9 ampere maximum limitations. You can use it only for the 1.9 ampere current limitation here purpose. So here, so this is the control connection point. You can see in the mentioned in here, the communication port, this one, and this one is for the resolver slot. If you have in your system have the ACOPOS Servo drive, so the similar, so you face the similar issues as per the model, the specifications of the resolver slot. I'm just trying to open the resolver slot. You have to open it very carefully. In this 7-minute video, so practical tutorial, I'll show you how to simply open an ACOPOS Servo drive step by step without causing any damage. So this video is in its intent to help engineer and technician who want to clean the drive or inspect it during the troubleshooting. You can see I just opened the resolver card from the servo drive. This is very simply, I just open it. So this is the resolver card slot. Yeah, this is the resolver slot. So there is an option for 2 resolver slot because this model, this servo drive is double motor module. For single motor is for one resolver card, and for 2 motor is for 2 resolver card. So this is the for completely loop connections, control connection from the servo drive, resolver, and the loop connections. Also now I'm just opening purpose, so casing opening purpose of the servo drive. So trying to open all the screw. I'm just using the Allen key set for opening the servo drive. You can see the picture in here. So this is most important and very sensitive drive in the system. So in my system I have there's a lot of servo drive in my system, the ACOPOS. So now I'm just opening the control fan. So cooling fan open for the servo drive cooling purpose. I need to open it very carefully. You can see, yes, there is a male and female connector, so that's why I need to. So this is the 24 volt DC operated cooling fan. So now this is the lock open. I just change the position of this for open purpose. Yes, this is the lock. So I need to open another screw here. So you need the proper tools for opening this screw, otherwise it will be damaged. So I need to open another screw. So that's why not opening properly. So here is another screw. I need to open it. Yeah, this one. Okay, now hopefully it will be. So open it because before open it I need to open the cover also, because this is the protection for the plastic part of the top side of the resolver circuit. So I need to open this also, otherwise cannot open this servo drive. Yes, now this is fully open. Oh, hopefully it will be open. So open carefully. Yes, you can see the picture in here. So in the inside the servo drive, the connections in the lot of the point of this option in here. So you need to position. Yes, this is open. This is the main circuit. This is the casing, servo cover or the casing. This is the SS casing, but if only for using the SS, it will be the short circuit happen. So for that reason, we're just using it in the protection paper for not happen the accident, not having the short circuit with the SS cover or the casing system to the main circuit. So that's why we're just using it the plastic and the or the so you can see the picture over here. So this is the very clearly, this is the double motor module only for that circuit, using for the dual motor module, dual servo motor module monitoring purpose. We just use in this circuit. This is the plastic, and this is the most important for not happen the short circuit with the SS and the casing with the motherboard or the main circuit. So that's why using this plastic for the protection purpose. So I need to open the control circuit. Another control circuit. Yeah, this is the control circuit. I just open it from the separated from the motherboard. You can see, yes, this is the separated from the main motherboard, main circuit. So now this is the main circuit. Here is operated from the circuit to operate it for the dual motor. Yes, I'm just measuring here for my finger. This is the IGBT circuit. This is the main circuit for the dual motor module. So I just open the connection for the motor connections, output circuit. So for free purpose, yes, now this fully connection is open. Okay, now you can see this. This is the main circuit. For only for this circuit, the operated the two motor output, two motor, this two servo drive, two servo motor. Yeah, this is the output motor connection. So this two motor, and the one is for brake connection. You can see this is the most important circuit for everyone, each and everyone in your circuit. So this is the IGBT circuit. This is the most important. It's just you can see in picture in here. So very clearly there is two IGBT, because this motor module, double motor module, is used for the two servo drive, two servo motor. That's why here using on the two IGBT circuit. This is a semi-chron IGBT circuit, semi-chron IGBT, using for two semi-chron IGBT. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more industrial automation tutorials. And let me know in the comment what kind of video you want to see the next. Thank you.